Here he comes, the famous Mark Bettis in the shift taxi at shift sector. Indy Airstrip Attack, Day 1.
Indy Airstrip Attack, shift sector, Indy's garage out here, Newton Oil, Dragon Fuel, Boost Performance, E-Flex, shift sector, Victory Wraps. I mean, we got it all going. Got a couple of crew out here, Rusted show cars, the Hummer, truck, Camaro, Harley in there, he's about to come out. We got Barry's Z06 from Kansas. We got Tom with the M3 Trackhawk is still in the shop getting some work, but this will definitely do for the day. Got a bunch of beautiful cars rolling out. We got two Vipers with us, Will and then his buddy, and then yeah, the Mark in the shift sector taxi as well as the Z06. He's about to go make a pass right now, so stay tuned, y'all. There goes our Z06. Very, very quiet. Definitely need to do some exhaust to that. Got the underground team out here. All these cars doing like 200, 250, 40, all that stuff. I never realized how much Audis sound like Lambos. Like when they going, they going. Jeez. Oh, go-kart coming behind me. GTRs, that guy won like 3 trophies that one year. Fastest of the weekend. CLA 45 AMG. Yeah, baby! All black cat. That's beautiful. See, I like the narrow bodies. You don't have to have a wide body to make it look good. What the heck is this?
What the hell is even that?
Ella McLaren. Wow. Crazy stuff. That's insane, yo. Oh my goodness. This looks like a Tron bike. It's carbon fiber Ninja. I feel like Tech AMG Black Series Supercharged SLS. Oh my goodness. I gotta go catch up with the crew. They already left me. Beautiful. Loving seeing all these out here. I feel like I don't see those a lot.
What's that, brother?
Hybrid Porsche. I'm not really a fan, brother.
Brother,
Jeez. That's cool. That's badass, but this is sick. Badass. What up, man? How we doing? Got some of our Fat House performance cars out here today. Oof. We've seen both of these in some previous YouTube videos back at the shop when we're doing some dyno testing. I mean, these cars, they build some crazy stuff. Basically like a mainly Mustang branded shop. But they kick ass, so definitely check them out. Look at this lineup right here. I believe this is all Julian's cars. This one right here is new. This purple is insane. 5 spokes on the C8. Looking good. I know my guy Tony is going crazy right now. Calvo Motorsports, brother. We got the sick Vipers out here. I think there's gonna be more. It looks like they got some extra room under the tent. Maybe they just going extra hard with these 2 cars today, but definitely gonna put down some crazy numbers. Jeez. I mean, I don't even have to really say anything. Just look at those meat hookers. Or huggers or...
Huh?
Anyways. This is a nasty Whipple setup right here. CH10. I mean, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got the purple on purple combo. Jeez. That's some beautiful cars right there. What do you guys think about this insane setup right here? Got the wing on the spoiler. What? The wing on the spoiler? That's not right, is it?
That's sick, bro. I like the wing, bro.
That's badass, though. Wicked cat right here, just spotted. Nasty. Oh, wow. Was not expecting that. Oh, wow. What's going on here? Magazine supercharger with the like a chiller right there next to it. Hood pins. That's clean.
Mr. in a Corvette. So you can have the Corvette in, that can light up, arrows, so we can park in at.
Yeah, that's some nice floor. That's a pretty good looking setup. Indiana's probably the best weather out of all the airstrips that we've been to. Yeah, Jeremy about to make a pass.
Yeah, I like to solve the puzzle.
All right, go ahead.
Yep.
That's it, yeah.
What we got going over here, guys? We got the crew.
Today, tomorrow we got some tacos going.
Shit, man. You got it going here. I mean, what? We got the, wait, this is, what's it called?
Farmer market from... Where are we at? We got...
Alexandria or Marion food?
It's pretty good. I mean, we can't tell you yet. Well, we'll tell you here soon.
How is it?
Good?
It looks like you're enjoying yourself. Oh, yeah, that looks like you're enjoying. Okay, you okay? You
I'm okay.
Okay.
Got Barry swapping out the tires on the Z06.
It's windy!
Barry, what are we hoping for? That's the only way to go, man.
The best is 164.9. If I can do 165, I'll be happy.
Okay. Let's see it. We got our guy Will doing some adjustments here. Beautiful Audi making a pass by real quick. Trying to get those perfect times for day one. Stay tuned, y'all. I think it's my favorite one out here, man. That thing sounds so good. Oh, I thought that was Jeremy. That looked just like him though. I thought that was Jeremy the whole time. Oh! Wide body step. That looks good. Yeah. Bader. Man, I want to get my Scout out here one day. 500 here. I mean, goodness. The green hits different on these. We got this beautiful, beautiful Lambo here. Look at the radials on this. Dallas Performance. All the way out here in Indy. And give them a shout out real quick. Alright, I'm walking the other direction now.
What is that? What is that?
And here he comes again. Come on. Oh shit. You look good in this thing, man. You need to get got about one more.
We're building one of these motherfuckers, man, right now.
Let's go, let's go.
Barry doing what he should, just let him go.
That was a good one.
Oh my God! 163 to 162.7.
Ah.
Did I get it? You can't get any closer. That's how close they were. 163 to 162.7. They were getting it. Let's see who won.
Let's go, let's go. There's a taxi right here. Got a couple of the car guys in there. Just gonna go in and see what kind of numbers that they can pull.
Why are we going so fucking fast? Nice pose. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's what he usually does. When he wins, he's gonna do it.
I didn't win anything today, except for being nice, right?
Alright, y'all, so day one is over. Ending of the day. And I mean, we got just a bunch of firsts, second place trophies being passed out here. First one we got the blue and the orange, Florida looking underground racing. And then we got our man, Will. He dropped his car all the way from Cali to come back out here in Indy to be here for this event. And I mean, he's bringing home the hardware. So let's go ahead, give it up for him. Beautiful GTS Viper. Then we got our guy Barry here with the trophy. Let's go! We told you! Let's go!
First place.
That's
In the
exactly
garage,
what we want.
baby.
Let's go!
Look at that.
Yeah.
Indy garage right there.
Hey, and next year we gonna have the wife's car out here too, right? Let's go! What is it, GT 350 or 500 or?
Oh no, I sold it.
Oh shit!
So I'll get
That's
another
why I'm
one.
trying to talk him into getting me another one.
Okay. Well, there we go. We'll be back out here again for another trophy. And then we got the moped. This one first place as well, right?
Yeah, in the bike class.
Oh shit!
Under 50cc class.
Oh man! Then this Porsche is absolutely insane as well. So loud. I mean, first place cars have to be loud. Like what did I just say? First place. Yeah. Then we got the. What is this? Not a GTS, I don't think. Lights going. Beautiful Viper. Viper ACR. Oh shit, my bad guys. So after I was so rude to interrupt their shot, I finally got to the last one. This was one of the shift sector cars here. At least on one of their cover photos. Look at that, the silhouette. Holy moly. This thing sounds like a UFO. It sounds like a UFO. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a V-build like this before, but goodness, this thing is fucking fast. Oh my goodness.
Hi, welcome to beautiful Marion, Indiana, where we're standing at the Marion Municipal Airport for Shift Sector Airstrip Attack 2024. Indy's Garage, Hoosier Performance E85, and Newton Oil, some of the best racing fuel. We had some guys going out there doing some incredible speeds. Our crew did 251. A lot of guys at 200 miles an hour. My boy Julian, who's a Hoosier Performance E85 guy, did 202, and I think he's still in first place. So I think, oh, I'm gonna get run over as always. Don't worry about that. Come on, get over here.
Oh shit!
All right.
Now I'm about to get run over.
So we're getting ready to do the Indiana Corn Marketing. Shout out to those guys. We're getting ready to have their annual reception that they have out here every year. Big thanks to Indiana Corn, First Farmers Bank, of course, Jason, right there.
The man.
Okay, first day's in the books, a lot of fun. Come out tomorrow. We've got the ride-along car from Indy's Garage.
Yeah.
We're gonna tune it tonight, make it a little bit faster, but should have beautiful weather again. So let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.